Good morning. Just hopping on here quick to do a little analysis of ES going into the week. Didn't really see or catch too many things yesterday, so I figured now we're in a pretty good spot to do a little breakdown and see what we're going to be looking at for the rest of the week. So after this big move we had up yesterday, we can see now that we have since reclaimed this area right here where we have had recent highs and recent lows. Right, so we can see right here that we have this area with highs, turn lows, and then last week's Thursday and Friday highs. So that's the zone we're going to be watching. I mean, it did hold yesterday as well. That's the zone that we're going to want to watch for, possible pullback longs today. If we see, some resistance and then a hold would be nice. But to me, I think the only the play for me is going to be a break above this level for longs, which is basically all-time high, which is a bit tricky. But the risk to reward will be there. And I honestly do not see any reason to be shorting this market until we're under this 69.70 right here, where we have this area here with previous highs. And then this is a bit of a mess in here, but if we zoom in, we'll go to a 15-minute. Check out Friday. You can see, Thursday we had some resistance here, and then that's where it flipped for longs. And then we held underneath, right? Held above, sorry. Then we held underneath right here, bringing in major downside in the after hours market. Big resistance right here. And then yesterday, if we go in, you can even check a 2-minute on yesterday. We had the perfect reclaim of this level intraday right here. So we can see that that level is pretty important. We actually have the daily 20 SMA right above that right now. So if we fail underneath this basically 7,000 zone, this is, I don't think this would happen today, but you never know. If we fail under this zone, I'm not interested in shorting until we fail under this zone here back into the daily 50 and this 69.19 where we've seen this this big area of lows in here, which flipped and became support right here. So again, bigger picture, we can really see longs are what's in play. There's no reason to be shorting this until we're underneath this 69.70. Watching for all-time high break and retest, we can see we even had this level, right? There's resistance, 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 resistance. So if we can get a push over this and hold, that could be a good play for long. And really, there's nothing short until we are underneath here. That's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm going to be waiting for, guys. Let's see how this plays out, and hope everyone has a good week.